I want to thank everybody for coming out. It means you, and you. Watson 08 is going full effect in the polls here. We leading by a large margin right now. We want to keep it up. So I want y'all to get out and vote November 4th. And in the meanwhile, I got a special guest for y'all in the house tonight. It's Mr. Joe The Plumber. Joe The Plumber. Anybody y'all seen Joe? Anybody y'all seen Joe? He ain't coming. What you mean he ain't coming? Now how long you know he ain't one coming? 10 minutes ago. Well, I've been on stage 1 minute. In between those 9 minutes, somebody could have told me that he wasn't coming. I'm trying to run politics here. No, somebody finna get